In this video, we're going to speed up this website right here. This is where we're starting. We have a 26 on mobile and we have an 83 on desktop. So the desktop is respectable, but the mobile's not. But we can make it better. Let's see if we can get them over 90. Both of them over 90. And to do that, we're going to use Optimole to optimize our images. We're going to use Super Cache for caching and various other speed improvements. And then this page speed test here we haven't done yet. This is what we're going to run at the end of the video to see if we have improvements. But first, let's install Optimole and Super Page Cache, the free versions of both, configure them a little bit, and then see if our page speed improves. So let's pop into the dashboard for this site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin, search for Optimole. This is it right here, 200,000 plus active installs, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Updated 4 weeks ago, compatible with the current version, all that looks great. So let's install it. Click on Install Now. Super Page Cache is right beside it, it turns out. So that's sweet, we'll install that in just a second. Activate this one. We'll come back to this in a second. Let's just install Super Page Cache. Let's search for Super Page Cache. This is it right here, 5 out of 5 stars, 60,000 plus installs, recently updated and compatible with the current version. That's awesome. Let's install it and then let's activate it. I really like the dark theme panel here. You can switch it if you don't like it, but I like the dark. It looks really nice. So here we have a load time of 3.2 and the expected load time when we configure this guy is 0.8 seconds. Server response time from 850 milliseconds to 124 milliseconds. Bandwidth way down. Page speed score way improved. This is different than the score we had on PageSpeed Insights, but it's still pretty close to terrible at a 42. We should be able to get up to 94. So that's pretty sweet. Free forever, no setup required. Let's click on Enable Caching. It said there's no setup required in that little blurb, but I'm going to set up a few things. We have some pro options if we want. We don't need the pro though. The Cloudflare page we're going to leave as it is. We're not going to connect Cloudflare at this time. For the Assets Manager, we can control the loading of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, fonts, things like that. I'm going to local Google Fonts, which is actually a GDPR requirement as well. The Pro options I won't turn on because they're Pro. For the media, I'm going to lazy load all images. And the background images, lazy load, I'm not going to turn that one on. We don't have background images on this site, but if you do have background images and you want them to load in the background, as in not interrupt the initial loading of the page, then you turn this on. Put that to yes. We're not using any third-party integrations. For the database, we can enable database optimization. And here it shows there's nothing to clean for most of these things. Oh, this one has 83 items. Let's clean those now. Transients are things that used to be used in the database but aren't anymore. So they're kind of unnecessary. So we just deleted 84 of them. And now that is set up as much as I want to set it up. Now we're going to check out Optimole. To get to Optimole, it's on the menu over here. Super Page Cache is as well down here at the bottom. I'm going to click on Optimole to open it up. And here we enter our email address. Click on Create and Connect Your Account. Connecting to Optimole. Sit tight while we connect you to the dashboard. Easy peasy. Didn't have to do anything really. Here it shows image optimization is currently running. Your visitors will now view the best image for their device automatically. All served from the Optimole Cloud service on the fly. That's pretty cool. We have 2,000 visits per month with the free version of Optimole. For some sites, that'll be enough. For others, you're going to need more. You can upgrade to a pro account to increase your limits. And if you do exceed this limit, that does not mean your website stops working. It just means that the visitors who are visiting, who are beyond your monthly limit threshold, they won't be served the optimized images. So your site may load a little slower if that's the case. Let's go to the settings page. We've enabled optimal image handling. All right, we don't have the optimal badge turned on, but you get 20,000 more visits for free by enabling the badge. Okay, let's do it. Show only optimal icon. I like that. Let's put it on the right. Clear cached images. We don't really have any right now, so I'm not going to clear them. Optimal Cloud and your website is where images are going to be stored. Optimal Cloud only is Pro. Under Advanced, there's some cool options like watermarking your images. You can compress them. You can choose the compression amounts in the settings. I'm just going to choose speed optimized. I don't want to go too far from the default settings that Optimole Super Cache chose for us because they're set up pretty solidly right from the start. You can define imagery sizes. We can define lazy load here as well. Just going to keep it on smart loading and keep all these settings as they are. You can have exclusions as well. If you have specific images that you don't want lazy loaded and they have specific words in the file name, you can even name them appropriately. You could say don't lazy load or no lazy load, and you add that phrase in here, then any image file name with that in the name, with that phrase in the name, won't be lazy loaded. And after all that, I'm just going to visit the home page because I want the page to load. Sometimes with caching plugins, a visitor has to go to the page first, and then it generates the page dynamically from the database, as WordPress does, and then the caching plugin can cache the page. So then when future visitors come, they'll see a cached version and it'll load faster. So that's why I wanted to visit the home page, and now we're going to test this page for page speed. So we haven't done any heavy lifting at all. Let's see if we can improve our numbers. Let's go to PageSpeed Insights, paste in our URL, click on Analyze, and the mobile's up to 83. That was 26 before. That's crazy. And the desktop, which was 83, incidentally, is now 94. That's pretty good because we didn't do a whole lot. We just installed 2 plugins, did some minor settings adjustments, and they are loading very fast in just a few minutes of work. So if you think this is something you might want for your website, faster loading times, and as a result, maybe higher Google rankings, check out Optimole and Super Page Cache. We just use the free versions. The pro versions will probably do even more for you. So check that out and let us know in the comments down below what your page speed score improvements are, because it'd be interesting to see if other people get the same results that I did in this video.